Hey family, welcome back to Lori Najah Cuisine. We are making an easy to make cauliflower fufu. So right now I am washing the cauliflower. You can either use frozen or fresh cauliflower. And here you can see the ingredients. And I am about to bring this to a hot boil for 20 minutes. So after boiling, I'm going to place it in a blender and blend it until it's puree. And this is the consistency that you need it to be. So after that, I put it in a pot and I'm gonna add my psyllium husk powder. So now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 preferably. So now I'm just gonna mix that and pound it like you are pounding pounded yam. Make sure this is nice and smooth, and here you see that I am pounding it, making sure everything is solid, and it's gonna solidify after you let it rest. And this is the final product. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.